Here are 5 new features from WebStarts. Element locking. Prevent yourself from accidentally moving an element with the new element locking feature by selecting the element and clicking the attached lock icon. It can then only be moved by first being unlocked. Shadow effects. Apply shadows to all different type of elements, including text. This new feature provides ways to give your page depth and style. Rounded corners. You can now round the corners of more elements like video and audio players. Simply select an element and use the slider to adjust the amount of roundness by pixel. Only upload while you work. You'll no longer have to wait for uploads to complete before continuing to work in the page editor. Once your elements have begun uploading, you can close the file manager and continue to make edits and changes to your website without interrupting the upload. iPad compatibility. You can now use the WebStarts drag and drop page editor to create a custom website from your iPad. Simply tap and drag your way to a beautiful, professional-looking website. There you have it. 5 new features from WebStarts. Do you want to be the first to find out when we release a new feature? Click subscribe and don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your own free website, blog, or online store. See you next time.